Today, we will review Ruud's totally redesigned RP14 series single-stage heat pump units. While this review is specific to heat pumps, many of the features discussed are also found throughout the air conditioning and heat pump offering. Outwardly, one of the most noticeable components is the base. The new design starts from the ground up with a unique composite base. The base has been designed and extensively tested to withstand most any condition the unit will encounter in the field. The unique composite base provides reduced sound emission, eliminates rattles, significantly reduces fasteners, and eliminates corrosion. Designed into the base are several features for the convenience of the installing and servicing technician. These include openings to provide a finger clearance when setting the unit in place, and a parts tray to hold small items during servicing, such as screws and valve caps. Furthermore, incorporated into the design are water management features that quickly drain away rainwater and water associated with defrosting. Integrated brass compressor attachment inserts provide a solid compressor mounting platform. Molded into the base are retention points for the louvered panels. This secures the louvered panels without unnecessary fasteners while allowing quick, easy removal for servicing the outdoor coil. Underneath the base are receptacles for pump-ups or 4-inch Schedule 40 PVC pipe to elevate the unit as necessary for any anticipated snow accumulation. All units utilize strong-formed louver panels which provide industry-leading coil protection. Louver removal for coil cleaning is accomplished by removing one screw and lifting the panel up out of the composite base pan. All units utilize single-row coils, making cleaning easy and complete, restoring the system back to out-of-the-box performance levels year after year. The powder coat paint finish found throughout the cabinet has been validated to resist corrosive environments by achieving a 1,000-hour salt spray rating. The service valves are rigidly mounted in the composite base in a 3-4-5 configuration, 3 inches between the valves, 4-inch clearance below the valves, and a minimum of 5 inches above the valves. The 27 square inch minimum around the service valves allows ample room to remove service valve cores prior to brazing. Plenty of clearance for easy brazing of the refrigerant lines and easy access when connecting low-loss gauge hoses. A service window is provided which permits the technician to easily route various test equipment leads into the unit. Controls are accessed from the corner of the unit by removing only 2 fasteners from control access cover, revealing the industry's largest 15-inch wide and minimum of 14-inch tall control area. With all this room in the control area, there is ample room for installation of accessory items such as compressor start components. The high-voltage electrical whip can easily be inserted through the right side opening in the bottom of the control area, routing its leads directly to contactor lugs for connection. The low-voltage control wires are easily connected to units' low-voltage wiring. All heat pumps feature a demand defrost system. Demand defrost has a significant advantage over conventional time-temperature defrost systems by only defrosting the unit when necessary. Eliminating unnecessary defrost significantly improves the unit's heat season performance factor, HSPF. All units utilize a compressor-run capacitor rated at 440 volts. The robust rating minimizes the likelihood of capacitor failure. In the event the capacitor does fail, it is easily replaced by removing a single screw from the band mounting system. Removal of 2 screws allows the entire electrical panel to be easily set aside to gain access to many of the unit components. The generous compressor and fan motor wire length allow for panel removal without disconnecting the wires. Looking inside the unit, the first item noted is the thermostatic expansion valve, the TXV. All heat pumps feature the reliable and extensively tested valve. Careful attention is given to the routing and securing of the TXV bulb and the capillary tube to decrease vibration and eliminate the potential for breakage. During design, engineers carefully selected the reversing valve to ensure proper application. Extensive testing was then carried out to further ensure valve reliability. Should additional access to major unit components become necessary, the top is easily removed. Simply remove a few screws and lift the top off and set it aside for unprecedented access to the interior of the unit. The generous length of the compressor and fan motor wiring permits top removal without having to disconnect wiring. The large, oversized muffler found on heat pump models significantly reduces the transmission of compressor operating sounds, especially during heating mode. All heat pump models feature high and low pressure controls. The controls stop compressor operation should an undesirable pressure condition occur. These controls are optional for air conditioning units. Scroll compressors with standard internal pressure relief and internal thermal overload are used on all capacities, assuring longevity of high-efficient, quiet operation for the product's life. All major components are located between the compressor and rigidly mounted service valves. This significantly reduces vibration, which may result in tubing fatigue and eventual failure. The engineers even redesigned a fan venturi. The composite venturi is optimized to ensure smooth, even airflow. Additionally, all units are shipped with a filter dryer for field installation to help ensure refrigeration system cleanliness. Installing the filter external to the unit enhances replacement, should the refrigeration system require servicing. During design, every model underwent specific strain and modal testing to assure each tube is within the unit's natural frequency and that the suction and discharge lines connected to the compressor will withstand any starting, steady-state operation or shutdown forces imposed by the compressor. Each capacity has undergone rigorous psychometric testing to assure performance ratings of capacity, SEER and EAR per AHRI standard 210-240 rating conditions. Also, each unit bears the UL mark and each unit is certified to UL 1995 safety standards. With the design and testing work completed, the engineers focused on unit packaging to ensure the product arrives undamaged and ready for installation. Each design was ship tested to assure units meet stringent, over-the-road shipping conditions. Units were even drop tested to confirm the robustness of the design. During production, every component installed on a unit is scanned, assuring correct component utilization for a given unit capacity and voltage. All condenser coils are leak tested with a pressurization test to 350 pounds, and once installed, the complete unit is helium leak tested to ensure a leak-free unit. All units are fully charged at the factory with refrigerant 410A for up to 15 feet of piping. Every unit is factory run tested to further ensure the product is ready for packing and shipment. Listening to our customers and reviewing the competitive landscape, Ruud set out to design the best products in the industry. Leaving nothing to chance, Ruud engineers thought of everything and then some. The highly featured, reliable design offers unsurpassed performance, installability, and serviceability dealers have come to expect from Ruud products.